Hey guys, what's up? It's Freight Train Films here, and today I'm going to be doing, or right now I'm going to be doing a bike check. And first thing I want to tell you guys is I got a new camera. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I'm not going to get too much into that right now. And sorry about no FTF Thursday. I kind of got grounded because I made a bad grade. Oh, my fault. So sorry, hopefully next week I should be ungrounded, so I'll do it next week. So yeah, but let's get into this. So, starting right here at the handlebars, they are, oh yeah, this is my trail bike, by the way, not my race bike. I'll do my race bike, so yeah. This is my trail bike, so yeah. First thing, chrome S&M bars, really nice, about like $50, I think. S&M, sorry, kind of scratch. Hoffman bikes, or no, S&M, what am I trying to say? What is this, like stem, white, cool. Yeah, I like that. I really love this, really sturdy. Yeah, moving down to the forks, stock Eastern forks, and front wheels, stock Eastern, but front tire is K-Rad Kenda 1.95. Moving on to the frame, it is a Eastern, there we go, Trail Digger. Yeah, Eastern Trail Digger. I have a lot of stickers on it, but really nice, like it. Moving down, cranks, stock cranks, but they're okay. I need new ones. They're good when you first get them, but then they just kind of get like bad. And moving on to the pedals, they are Wellgo Magnesiums white. Got these off the Dance Comp, really good for a cheap price, only like $20. Normally they're like $60. Moving on to one of my favorite parts, the seat. It is a Rogue Status red and black, and I really like this because they don't make this seat anymore. And then C-post clamps, just some like cheap $20 C-post clamp, but really good. Moving on to the back tire, it is, I don't know if you can see that, but it says Alex rims. It's an Alex rim with Odyssey hub. One second. You can hear that. Yeah, but it's really good. Tioga Power Block back tire. And now grips. Let me set this down. Grips. Colt Vans grips. Really nice. The waffle grip. Really good. Yeah. And so, oh yeah. And sprocket is a white stolen sprocket. It's the backside. ORP sponsor. And so, yeah, here's the complete bike again. Really good, nice, like it, and see you guys later.